children, how are you? Are you fine? Yes, I hope all are fine at your home. So then everybody know nowadays situation about corona. The corona patients number increasing day by day. So you may not have freedom to move outside. So we are planned some months online classes. Okay. Then you know about IT. All are very interested. Maybe you have to very easy to learn through this way because all are very intelligent about IT. So you know my name. I am Jyoti. I am handling here Hindi. Now I am going to take 8th standards first lesson. Okay. Start. You can start now. Yes. First, one poem. First chapter is one poem. Poem name is Apna Desh Samvareham. What? Apna Desh Samvareham. The Kavi Sri Krishna Saran. Sri Krishna Saran. Okay. Look here. Apna Desh. Everybody know Desh meanings, very familiar meaning. Apna Desh means our country. Our country. Samvare. Samvara means to enhance. What? Samvarna means to enhance or to grade or upgrade. Okay. Then hum means we. What is the mean? We should upgrade or we should enhance our country. Okay. Then look. First look, अपना देश संवारे हम, अपनी इस पावन धरती का आवो रूप निखारे हम, अपना देश संवारे हम. Okay, first we can just look what are the meaning words are here. Okay, look, we already first अपना देश संवारे हम, we already said that meaning. देश means country, देश means country. Here again Samvarna. Samvarna means to enhance. To enhance. Okay. Then Pavan. Pavan means Pavan. Sacred. Sacred. And Dharti. Dharti very familiar meaning because you know first standard onwards you studying about the Dharti meaning. Earth. Okay. Then Nigharna. Nigharna means to flourish or to develop. Flourish. Then again coming Apna Desh Samvareham. Okay. Then just look at that stanza's meaning. Here the poem writer telling about our country. You know everybody very proud of our own countries. If it is Indians, Europe and any countries, they are very proud about our country. Here the poet also telling you should be proud about your country. Okay, look the meanings. Apna Desh Samvareham. You should enhance our country. Apna is Pavan Dharti ka Avo Roop Nikhareham. Apna Desh Samvareham. In this poem, the poem writer telling to the children, you should enhance our country together. Okay, what? In this poem, the poem writer telling about telling to the children, you should enhance our country together. Then apne is pavan dharti ka, already our earth is very sacred, already earth is sacred. Then also avo roop nigare ham, then you should come forward and to flourish our country and to enhance our country. Understood? I hope all are understood this stanza's meaning. Okay? Can I go next? Look. नए सृजन के संवाहक हम, प्रगति पंथ के राही हैं, हम प्रतिबद्ध पहरुए युग के हम सन्नग्ध सिपाही हैं, जो भी मिले चुनौती उत्तर दे उसको स्वीकारे हम. Okay, then here look the meaning words. Naya Srijan, what Naya means? Naya means a plural word. Naya means new, and Srijan. Srijan means creation. Srijan means creation. And look next, Samvahag. What Samvahag means? Conductors. Samvahag. Okay. Conductor means what? It's not a bus conductor at all. You studied in physics, Chalagangal, that conductor. Okay. Conductors. Then Pragati. Pragati means what? Pragati means progress. Pragati means progress. Progress. Next, Panth. Panth means path or way. Path. The next, Rahi. Rahi means that one no word, maybe you don't know that. Rahi means passengers. Passengers. Then what is the next unknowing words? Pradibad. What? Pradibad. Pradibad means committed. Pradibad means committed. Next, Paharuye. Paharuye means here guard or watchman. Paharuye means guard or watchman. Okay. Next, which one? Sannagdha. Sannagdha means ready, always ready. That is Sannagdha. Sannagdha. Sannagdha means be ready. Okay. Next, Sipahi. Sipahi means policeman or soldiers. Sipahi. Soldiers. Okay, or policeman. जो भी मिले चुनौती उत्तर. चुनौती. Chunauti means challenge. Challenge. Okay, Sigarna means to accept. Okay. Sigarna, accept. Okay, look that. नए सृजन के संवाहक हम, प्रगति पद के राही हैं, हम प्रतिबद्ध पहरुए युग के हम सन्नग्ध सिपाही हैं, जो भी मिले चुनौती उत्तर दे उसको स्वीकारे हम, अपना देश संवारे हम. Okay, here the poem writer again telling to the new gens. Okay, what the poem writer telling? The new generation of the country is going to trigger new construction. Okay, then when you are the new gen, you are very intelligent and you are very enthusiastic. Okay, so the poem writer telling to you what you, the new generation of the country is going to trigger means പ്രേരക ശക്തി എന്നാണ് അതിൻ്റെ മലയാളം. is going to trigger a new construction. Okay, so हम प्रतिबंध पहरुए then प्रगति पद के राही है, so we have follow the path of progress. So you should follow the path of progress of our country and upgrading our country. You should follow the path of progress of upgrading our country. Okay, then हम प्रतिबद्ध पहरुए युग के हम सन्नद्ध सिपाही है. How do you ready, which way you want to follow? Then look, हम प्रतिबद्ध पहरुए युग के, how the God is protect our country, otherwise how the soldiers protect our country, how the God is doing his work very properly, very clearly. Like that you also stand for our country like as a soldiers. Okay, understood now? जो भी मिले चुनौती उत्तर दे, उसको स्वीकारे हम अपने देश संवारे हैं. Then जो भी मिले चुनौती उत्तर दे, facing all the challenges, then and doing this all task. What are the tasks you have to you want to doing? Then you just facing all the tasks and doing the take it a challenge. So then अपना देश संवारे है. For what you want to take the all challenges? Then how to make our country more proud? Then how you want to take all challenges? How to make our country more proud? Understood no? Look once more, I am going to read. नए सृजन के संवाहक हम प्रगति पंथ के राही हैं, हम प्रतिबद्ध पहरुए युग के हम सन्नद्ध सिपाही हैं. जो भी मिले चुनौती उत्तर दे, उसको स्वीकारे हम अपना देश संवारे हम. Understood children? Okay, then look next. So look next. कर्म हमारे बने कुदाली, कर्म हलों के फाल बने, कर्म बने तलवार शत्रु को, कर्म देश की ढाल बने. नए भगीरथ बन वैचारिक गंगा, नई उदारे हम अपना देश संवारे हम. Okay, here look, karma means the word meaning. Look, karma means our work, कुदाली one word है. कुदाली means axe. No, just fall. Hal means no, hal means plow. Fall means fall, knife. Shatru means no, everybody know, the enemies. Talwar means sword. Then what is the next? Nothing is not there. Look, Here look, again the poet is telling, कर्म हमारे बने कुदाली, कर्म हलों के फाल बने. ले, कर्म, our work is should be what? Our work is should be related to our own ideas and our own feelings. That means what? No, here the poet is telling kudali. Kudali means axe. Then what is here the poet is telling to you kudali and all. So that means what? How the field we making for agriculture with using the knife, axe, like that tools, and to get more crops. Like that, हर्म बने तलवार शत्रु को कर्म देश की ढाल बने. Like that, you should stand for your country, and you should against the enemies, and you should fight for them to using the sword and shield. Shield means, you know, shield, dal aane dal. Shield means പരിച എന്ന് കേട്ടിട്ടില്ലേ? അങ്ങനെ തടുക്കുന്ന സാധനം പരിച, ഡാൾ, ഷീൽഡ്. Okay, like that you should stand for your country. How you should stand for your country? Then you should fight against the enemies and using the shield and sword. And नये भगीरथ बन वैचारिक गंगा नये उतारे हम अपना देश संवारे हम. Here the author just remaining all the historical story, and what is that? नये भगीरथ, the Ganga, river Ganga, first flowing in the heaven. After that, the Bhagirath has been doing the tapas long years and flowing the Ganga down. For why he just doing the tapas, no? Then for he want to get the moksha for his ancestors. That's why he has been doing the tapas many years, and Shiva is blessed Bhagiratha, and after that Ganga is flowing through down. Then that is the story. Then here the poet is remaining the story for, because of we want to take a very hard work for our country want to become more proud. That's why we should take more effort, and then only we will get the good country, and you are also there, you can also proud about your country. Understood, no children? Look, once more I am going to read. कर्म हमारे बने कुदाली, कर्म हलों के फाल बने, कर्म बने तलवार शत्रु को, कर्म देश की डाल बने. नये भगीरथ बन वैचारिक गंगा, नई उतारे हम अपना देश संवारे हम. Okay, today I wind up this class. Then you should study all meanings, and here then you have one homework also. What is no? Here many words, new words, naye words, naye shabd. Okay, so which one is the naye shabd? Okay, some words you are very familiar, because dharti, hal, fall, like that words, and after karma and all. Then other many meaning words also I already given to you. Then from that you should find it which one is the difficult or naya shabd. Okay, then after we can continue next time balance portions. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.